Welcome to Virtual Forms. With a few clicks in Designer, create your virtual forms. Use them from Excel VBA. It's a freemium license model. You can freely use, redistribute your work, and change the VBA code. Only if you need to create new virtual forms. You need the Virtual Form Designer. But you can also use the free trial. Create apps for yourself or for selling. Be unique, innovative, disruptive. Learn Microsoft Excel and Virtual Forms Framework. Finally, monetize your knowledge. virtual-forms.com